Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these cute balloon bows. Okay guys, so what we'll need today are some 260 balloons and a balloon pump. That's it. So we'll need 2 of each color to make the balloon bow. I'm going to be sharing a pretty easy technique for the balloon bow. So I'm going to start by inflating my balloons. So you would want to leave like an inch at the end of the balloon when you inflate them. So here we have our 2 inflated balloons that we're going to be using to make the bow, and we're going to start by tying the 2 ends or the 2 tips together like this. After tying the tips together, we are going to squeeze down in the middle where the 2 tips are joined, and then we are going to twist, and this is going to make the first part of your bow. This is actually going to be the 2 loops. Now we're going to be using the next balloon to make the tail of the bow. So we're going to bend this balloon in half, and then we're going to do 2 twists, 1 on each side, so the bubble is going to be in the middle, and this is going to make the middle part of the bow. So once that is done, I'm going to bring the 2 twisted sections together and then make one final twist. And this is how it should look once you make your final twist. So now we're going to connect the 2 parts together. So to do that, I'm going to pull the middle section with the bubble through the middle section of the loop like this, and that will hold the bow together, the loop together, and the tail together. Now I think that was pretty easy and pretty easy to follow. So you can do this with different color balloons, and you can also turn it into a garland on its own, or you can add these bows to a garland that you've already made. I'm going to be doing another one of the bows in the color purple, and I'm going to show you at the end of the video how it would look in a garland, like if you only use the bows to make a garland. So please watch until the end of the video to see how that would look and how it turned out. Also guys, please remember to give this video a thumbs up if you are enjoying this video, and also please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't yet done so for more great DIY videos. I appreciate you all, and I also appreciate every subscription, like, and comment that I've gotten. So a big thank you to all of you. So we're just going to be following the same steps in making our loop first, and then the tail, and then joining both parts together. So now we're done with the first part, which is making the loops, and now we're going to move on to making the tail. Alrighty, so once that is done, to connect both parts together, we're going to pull the bubble through the middle section of the loop, and that is going to hold everything in place. So I've gotten 3 bows done and I'm using tape to add it to the wall. If you have like glue dashes or glue dots, those are perfect to use as well to make a garland or add it to your wall. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out and I think it looks really cute. I really love it. You can add this to a regular garland, as I said, it will give it a wow factor. Or you could just use it like this on its own. It still looks really, really beautiful. So let me know what you think in the comments, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.